The Carnival logo. A red, white, and blue Y-shaped ship horn. Ocean View Explorer. Maho Beach and Snorkel. St. Martin, Netherland Antilles. Our view soars over steep, jagged cliffs to a secluded cove. A speedboat anchors in the clear Caribbean waters as guests swim. Some float on pool noodles. Others snorkel over the reefs just below the surface. The boat's bow has a large, dark dome. A canopy shades the deck. Now the twin-engine boat speeds across a harbor past St. Martin's mountain coastline. Guests mingle on the shaded deck as the boat bounds over gentle swells. The Ocean View Explorer anchors at a beach where mansions sit atop seaside cliffs. Guests enjoy the turquoise waters. Some explore the pristine sandy beach. The Caribbean sun shines through the crystal clear water, casting boats' shadows onto the sandy bottom. A crewman joins a family in the gentle waves near shore. He serves a fruity punch from an inflatable floating cooler. A couple smiles as they float on their backs. Carnival.